أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today's talk is a very important address to all of the humanity. It is a claim, it is an open challenge to all of the humanity, but especially for those individuals who deny the Kitabullah, who refute the divine nature of the Kitab-e-Aziz, and they speak and they think like that Kitabullah is just a piece of paper or a collection of piece of papers, but rather it is Tanzilum mir Rabbil Alameen. It is a revelation from the sustainer of all of the worlds, from the creator of the heavens and the earth and whatsoever which lies between them. He is the only and only one creator, one God. I am going to seek references from the Kitabullah, verse number 23 and 24 of Surah Al-Baqarah, which is the second chapter of the Kitab-e-Aziz. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has addressed here, وَإِن كُنتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. Meaning, and if you doubt any part of what we have bestowed from on high step by step upon our servant Muhammad, then produce a surah of similar merit and call upon any other than God to be a witness for you if what you say is true. Let us concentrate and pay heed to the message of the Kitabullah, the book of the Creator. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing to all of the humanity, but especially for the people who deny the message of the Kitab-e-Aziz. وَإِن كُنتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا. That if you have got any doubt, any uncertainty, or any hesitation in accepting this truth, and if you have got any doubt on what we have revealed, what we have bestowed on our servant, on our slave, on our abd, meaning Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that if you have got any uncertainty, any doubt, any hesitation, then فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ. So produce a surah or a chapter of a similar merit, of similar excellence, of similar stature, of similar standard. وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ. And also call upon and invite witnesses, all of your witnesses, except God, except Allah, in kuntum sadiqeen, if you are really truthful. This is an open challenge. This is an open claim of the Kitabullah, Kitab-e-Aziz, Furqan-e Hamid, that if you have got any doubt, any uncertainty, any hesitation, to then produce a chapter or a surah of similar merit, of similar kind, of similar stature, of similar excellence. In the verse number 24, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking, فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَلَن تَفْعَلُوا فَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ أُعِدَّتْ لِلْكَافِرِينَ. And if you cannot do it, and most certainly you cannot do it, then be conscious of the fire whose fuel is human beings and stones, which awaits all who deny the truth. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking to the humanity. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا. And if you cannot do it, وَلَن تَفْعَلُوا. And absolutely not. You will never be able to do it. You will not be able to produce a surah or a chapter of similar merit, similar excellence, similar standard to Kitabullah. Then, Fattakun nar allati, be conscious of the fire, waquduha nasu wal hijara, whose fuel is mankind, humans, and stones, uiddat lil kafirin, which awaits all who deny the truth. This is an open challenge, an open claim of the Kitabullah, which has been made in this book for more than 1400 years, and no human has ever been able to come up to that challenge. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this challenge, has made this claim, because He is the creator. He knows the creation, His creation very well. Allah ya'lamu man khalaqa wa huwa al-latiful khabir. He is unfathomable. He is the most knowledgeable. This book gives all the answers to the humanity regarding its origin, regarding its creation, regarding the purpose of the life, and also gives solution to all the problems which mankind faces, whether these are economic problems, whether they are social problems, problems related to morality or to the family life. This book is a comprehensive constitution, and this book is divine, coming from the Rabb, from the creator of all of the heavens and the earth, and whatsoever lies between them. So this is an open challenge to all of you who deny the messages of the Kitab Aziz, or those individuals who treat Kitabullah just like pieces of paper. This is an open challenge, an open claim to you, that produce a surah, produce a chapter of similar merit. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the answer in the verse number 24, that you cannot do it. You will never be able to do this. And fattakun nar allati waquduha an-nasu wal hijara. Then if you cannot do it, absolutely you will never be able to do it, then be conscious of the fire which is awaiting for the human beings and the stones, uiddat lil kafirin, and this has been prepared for the people who deny the truth. I seek Allah's forgiveness if there's any shortcoming in the delivery of the message. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا واخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. جزاكم الله خير.